Hello everyone, I am Pratisha. Again, I have come to this channel. I have made a new recipe called Dohi Vada. You can make in your home, sweet also and chili also. Your choice. You can see in this video how to make it. It is very tasty. If you make chili also or sweet, both are very tasty.
This is Doi Bora dish, while some call it Dhai Vada, and famous by many other names, all over the world. The main ingredient to prepare the dish, known as vadas, is urad dal, but some people use moong dal to prepare the vadas. I used to eat it as snack, while some people love to eat it as a meal. The main ingredient for preparing the dish is urad dal, which is soaked overnight or for a minimum time of 5 hours. Items needed to prepare doi bora dish are small amount of curd, 1 cup of urad dal, very small amount of jeera gari, red chili powder, garam masala, chaat masala, black salt, and cream. At first dip the urad dal in water for the whole night or for a minimum time of 5 hours. After draining out the water, grinding the urad dal using a mixer grinder with a little amount of water. Now putting it out in a bowl, and mixing with table salt and little amount of baking soda, and keeping it aside for around 30 minutes. The batter must be mixed well, so that it becomes light and fluffy. Now heating cooking oil in a pan with a convex bottom. Making small ball shape using my hand and cooking the batter ball in the oil. Deep frying it till it turns golden brown. These small cooked batter balls are known as the vadas. After heating water in a bowl, soak the fried vaders in the hot water for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of soaking, squeezing out the water from the vaders and keeping it in a serving plate. Now garnishing it with jeera, red chili powder, garam masala, chaat masala, black salt, curd, and cream. Now putting it inside refrigerator for 30 minutes and serve it cold. It is one of the best foods eaten as snacks and meals during summer.
But spicy. That. Okay, bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.